Welcome back to Primetime News, and for those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com, a very special welcome to you. Jamaica has again recorded another double-digit increase in the number of persons who have contracted COVID-19. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton announced an increase of 66 new cases at a press conference a short while ago. Now, Andrea Chisholm has been listening and now joins us live. Andrea, what's the latest?
Well, Herman, first of all, the increase in new COVID-19 cases comes on a day when Jamaica and 2 other countries have been added to the quarantine list of the United Kingdom. As of Saturday, August 29, all persons traveling from Jamaica, Switzerland and the Czech Republic have to self-isolate for 14 days. A report on the Daily Mail's website today said Jamaica appears to be dangerously close to the threshold, and moments ago, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton gave an update.
Jamaica has recorded 66 new confirmed COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The total number of confirmed positives now stands at 1,870. Of the new cases, 35 are females and 31 are males, with ages ranging from 7 years to 88 years. They have addresses in Clarendon, 12, Kingston and St. Andrew, 32, St. Catherine, 14, Manchester, 1, St. James, 3, St. Mary, 2, Westmoreland, 1, and St. Anne, 1. One of the new cases is imported from a flight from Nicaragua. The remaining 65 are under investigation. And as you can imagine, having discovered or concluded on the test results, the contact tracing investigation would commence. But this would have been very, very recent. So the bulk of the numbers are under investigation.